Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about problem from CodeChef July challenge. So let's get started. So the problem is missing a point. So the problem states that a CIF has an axis parallel rectangle in a 2D Cartesian coordinate system, and these rectangles may intersect, but it's granted that all their 4 end vertices are pairwise distinct. But unfortunately the CIF has lost one vertex, and so we have to find that vertex. So let's see the input format. The first line of the input will contain T, denoting number of test case, and in each line there will be N, the number of rectangles, and then 4n minus 1 line follows vertex of rectangles. We have to find the missing vertex and print out the vertex as x and y, like this. There is one test case and there is 2 rectangle. So if one vertex is missing, then there are all 7 vertices given here, and the missing vertex is 2, 2. So let's plot those points. So you can see this is one perfect rectangle, and in this rectangle there is one point missing here, that is 2, 2. So if we find 2, 2, then it will be a perfect rectangle. So now let's take this rectangle as our example. So you can see these 4 points are vertices of the rectangle, that is 4, 3, 9, 3, 9, 6 and 4, 6. So since all the sides are parallel to coordinate axis, so you can see on these two points, or you can take any 2 adjacent point. So let's take these 2 points, that is 4, 6 and 4, 3. So x will be common to both the point and y will be different. And again, if we take this side, so y will be common since this side is parallel to x, so y will be common to both and x will be different. So you can see all the x are in pairs. So this is 4 and 4, this is 9 and 9. So all the coordinate points are in pair. So now how we can find the missing vertex? So let's code this one and we'll understand this thing in our code. So let's take T test cases. And now run a while loop until t greater than 0. And now let's take n number of rectangles. So now let's run a loop for n minus 1 times, since one vertex is missing. So there will be 4n minus 1 vertex. And now let's take input. Oh, sorry. That is missing, sorry, x coordinate and y coordinate points. So let's take long here. And now we can find missing x and missing y in order n time using property of XOR. So let's take two more variables, that is missing x equals to 0 initially, and so we have to find missing number using property of XOR. That is, what XOR does is, if we take XOR of two equal number, that is if we take 2 XOR 2, then it will be 0. That is, if we take 2 XOR 2, then it will be 0. So again, if we take 0 XOR 2, then it will give 2 as output. That is, if there are 3 2, then we take XOR of all the 2, then it will output 2. So again, in this problem we have to find that missing number which is not in pair. So we can use property of XOR here. So now let's find missing y. And now we can print our solution. Missing x and missing y separated by a space and a new line for each test case. So now let's run our code. And now take example input. So this is one test case and two rectangles. The vertices are 1, 1, 1, 2, 4, 6, 2, 1, 9, 6, 9, 3 and 4, 3. So the output is 2 and 2. So now let's submit our code. So the code is done here, and so for any doubt you can comment down below. Thanks for watching.